So friends, today we will discuss nuclear reactors. So let's start. A nuclear reactor, formerly known as atomic pile. It means it was named atomic pile at its first stages, but now it is called a nuclear reactor. It is a device used to initiate and control a fission nuclear chain reaction or nuclear fusion reactions. Nuclear reactors are used at nuclear power plants for electricity generation and in nuclear marine propulsion. The electricity generated from nuclear power plants in which nuclear reactors are used it does not produce any waste. Only waste produces steam, the steam that can be used. The other waste that is there is nuclear waste, which can be further converted into energy. The waste now obtained can be stored in underground chambers away from any living thing. The nuclear reactors were first made or discovered on December 20, 1951. Enrico Fermi led a group of scientists in initiating the first self-sustaining nuclear chain reaction. The temperature in a nuclear reactor ranges from 300 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. This temperature is usually more than the boiling point of water, so that water can boil and turn the turbines. So on the screen is the diagram that shows the working of a nuclear reactor or a nuclear power plant. First, the water from a lake or sea comes to the pipes and fills these pipes and is forced to the chamber in which control rods are there. These control rods control the amount of energy released by fuel elements like uranium-235. The next comes the steel pressure vessel. In this, the pressure builds up and the water boils. Boiling water comes up and goes to the pressurizer where the steam is generated. Here the steam is used to turn the turbines. The steam is now filtered again from any nuclear waste and then turned again into water through condensation, and this water is used many times. After some time, some of the steam or water gets less. More water is drawn in from a nearby stream or lake. This can be very harmful for humans living near, as in case of any cyber attack on the nuclear power plant, it can lead to a mass destruction in the nearby areas. In some cases, the nuclear reactor heats up, meaning the supply of water isn't enough or the fuel is more than enough. Then, in this case, the uranium or any other fuel element evaporates or boils, and this boiling uranium vapor then bursts up and blasts up the whole nuclear reactor. This nuclear reactor blast causes these radioactive, harmful and hazardous chemicals to cause destruction over a very large area. Just take example of Chernobyl nuclear accident, one of the most famous nuclear accidents and one of the most horrible also. In this, the vapor released was so high that it covered more than half of the population of Europe.